In the beginning, I would like to mention about Maharshi Panini. Maharshi Panini wrote Ashtadhyayi. Way back in 5th to 6th century BC, he wrote this treatise on grammar. Now, as the name suggests, Ashtadhyayi, Ashta means 8. There are 8 chapters in this treatise and about 4,000 sutras or rules. Now, some of the rules we will learn are part of these 4,000 sutras which are available in this treatise. So, let's begin. Welcome to lesson 1. In this lesson, we'll be talking about Varnamala. So, all these letters that you see, A, K, K, E, all these letters individually called as Varna in Sanskrit. Now, when 2 or more Varnas come together, they form Shabda, that is a word. So, here, Aham is made up of A and H. When 2 or more words come together, they form a sentence. So, here, Aham Chhatra Asmi is formed of 3 words. So, a sentence or Vakya is made up of group of words and a word Shabda is made up of group of Varnas. But mind you, the grouping has to have some meaning in it. Varna is made up of Swara, that is vowel, and Vyanjana, that is consonant. Further, Swaras are divided into Rasva, Dirgha and Plutha. In our course, we will be covering only the Rasva and Dirgha Swara. So, let's know the classification. A, E, U, Ru are called as Rasva Swara and A, E, U, Ru are called as a Dirgha Swara. Then we have something called as a Sanyukta Swara, which is A, I, O, Au. Sanyukta because when we combine 2 or more Mula Swaras, we get a Sanyukta Swara. And Sanyukta Swaras are also Dirgha Swara. So, these Dirgha Swara A, I, O, Au do not have a Rasva Swara. Similarly, Ru does not have a Dirgha Swara. In all, we have 5 plus 8 Dirgha as 13 Swaras. Further talking about Savarna, which means similar. Now here, A are Savarna. E, likewise U, Ru are called as Savarna pair. But E, U or E, Ru are not Savarna. Such pairs are called as Asavarna pairs. The second part is Vyanjanani, that is consonants. So, if you can see in the matrix of 5 by 5, we have 25 Vyanjans, which are, the group is Kakha Gaganga, Chacha Jajanya, Tatha Dadhana, Tatha Dadhana, Papha Babhamma. These are called as a Varigiya Vyanjanani. The first 2 in that are called Kathore Vyanjanam, the next 2 are called as Mrudu Vyanjanam, and the last in every group is called as a Anunasika, nasal swar. Other than this 25, we have here a la, va, sha, sa, ha, which are Avarigiya Vyanjanani. And we have 2 more, Visarga and Anuswara, which are called as Swara Shritau because they cannot come independently but only come after a vowel. So, we also have the classification as to against every group you see a word like Kakha Gaganga is Kanthya, Chacha Jajanya is Talavya, Tatha Dadhana is Murdhanya, then Dantya and then Oshtya. So, these Varnas, the way they are pronounced, it is mentioned which part of the mouth is used. For Kakha Gaganga, Kanthya, Chacha Jajanya, Talavya, that is a palate, soft palate. Tatha Dadhana is Murdhanya, that is hard palate. Tatha Dadhana, you observe when you pronounce these Varnas, your tongue is touching your teeth. So that's why it's called Dantya. Oshtya is Pa, Pha, Ba, Bha, Ma. So when your lips are touching while pronouncing these Varnas, Those are called as a oshtya. Now let's look at the position or the placement. So, talu is the soft palate, kantha is the glottis, oshtha is lip, the varnas like pa, pha, ba, bha, ma, we close our lips while pronouncing them. And ta, tha, da, dha, na, our tongue touches our teeth while pronouncing this varnas. So, those are called as dantyam. So, this is all about the basic information about the Sanskrit Varnamala. With this